Hi friends, this is KRB. In this video, I am going to explain about how to construct an ellipse by general method or eccentricity method. The question is, draw an ellipse when the distance of its focus from its directrix is 50 mm and eccentricity is 2 by 3. Also draw a tangent and a normal to the ellipse at a point 70 mm away from the directrix. Distance of its focus from directrix is 50 mm, means AF equal to 50 mm and eccentricity E equal to 2 by 3, means VF by VA. The AF equal to 50 mm. How to mark V vertex point? The AF sum of distance, the ratio of eccentricity, means 2 plus 3 equal to 5. The AF divided into 5 equal divisions. The second division from the focus is a vertex point, or third division from the directrix is vertex. Now I am going to explain about how to construct an ellipse. Draw a vertical line and draw a perpendicular. Name it as D dash is a directrix. AB is a principal axis. This AB is perpendicular to the directrix. Now mark F focus on AB at a distance equal to 50 mm. At a distance equal to 50 mm. And AF divided into 5 equal parts. AF equal 50 mm. AF divided into 5 equal parts. Now mark V. Now mark V at a distance. Or now mark V third division from A. Or second division from V. Draw a line. To V, and I am taking radius equal to VF as radius. Draw an arc. This intersection point is E. Draw a line from AE. It is extended up to so on, or some length. Now I am taking some radius that equal to 10 mm. Now mark 1, 2, 3 and so on from V. Mark points 1, 2, 3. I am taking here 10 mm as radius. This is a point 1. F as point 2, 3, 4 and so on. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Draw a perpendicular at point 1, 2, 3 to intersect the VE line. And at 2, again at 3, at 4 and so on up to, I am taking here 12 divisions. Name it as 1 dash, 2 dash, 3 dash, 4 dash, 5 dash, 6 dash, 7 dash, 8 dash, 9 dash, 10 dash, 11 dash and 12 dash, like this. Now I am taking radius equal to 1 dash as radius, F as center, cut the 1 dash line. 2 dash as radius, F as center. Here we got same point, 2 dash as a point. V is a locus point. These cutting points are locus points of the curve, locus of V. 3 dash as radius, F as center, cut the 3 dash. 4 dash as radius, F as center. Similarly 5 dash, 6 dash, 7 dash and so on. At 7 dash, F as center. Here radius will change, center won't change. 8 dash as radius, F as center. 9 dash as radius, F as center. 10 dash as radius, F as center. And 11 dash as radius, F as center. 12 dash as radius, 12 dash as radius, F as center. Here 12th point as another vertex point. Now join these all the points, draw a smooth curve by using HB pencil. Join the locus points from V . This is our obtained curve ellipse. This is P1, P2, P3, P4, P5, P6, P7, P8, P9, P10, P11. This is V dash. Again P1 dash, P2 dash, P3 dash, P4 dash, P5 dash, P6 dash, P7 dash, P8 dash, P9 dash, P10 dash, P11 dash and so on. Draw a normal and tangent to the curve at a distance equal to 70 mm from the directrix, means perpendicular to the directrix. The 70 mm is perpendicular to the directrix. This is point P 70 mm. Now join P to F is a line, draw a line P to F, join PF. Then draw a perpendicular to the PF at point F. This perpendicular intersect the directrix at T. Now draw a line, join P and T. join P and T, this T dash is passing through the point P. This T dash is a tangent to the curve at point P. Now draw a perpendicular to the tangent at point P. It is a normal. N and S is a normal to the curve. This is a point P. This is a point P. This is our obtained curve ellipse. Now give the dimension. Give the dimension. AF equal to 50 mm. From the directrix to point P is 70 mm. The name of the curve is ellipse. Note all dimensions are in mm. This is our obtained curve ellipse. Thank you guys. Thank you very much. I hope understand very well. In this video is very helpful to you guys. Please follow my videos regularly. Hope it would help you. Thank you.